It's bike weather. So, yo, I haven't had no bike videos. The reason because it's my GoPro. Every time I record, it cuts off after like 59 seconds or something. It never goes past a minute. So I had to get a new SIMs card. So hopefully this video goes well. If you guys are seeing this, then yes, it did, and it kept recording. Every time I ride, I always catch something weird that I'm like, damn, I should have got that on camera. But it's nice out today. Today's like 70. I think Siri said it's 75 degrees. Don't join bike life if you're not ready to dip. I don't stop for no. My bike is legal, but I don't stop for cops. I stopped one time, and they gave me a BS ticket because my window visor was cracked open like this much. That much. I couldn't breathe. This is when I first riding. When I first started riding. When I first started riding, I didn't know that, you see this thing? When you open that, that's so you could breathe, like, you know, a little better. But I had my thing cracked open like that. They gave me a little corny $100 ticket. So after that day, bro, I never stopped. I don't care about no police. I may or may not run red lights.
This chair? You really just be driving around with that recording? Take it away. Let me just. I got a 512.
So I came to AT&T. I had to buy. Yo, y'all didn't see nothing on the highway because I knew it. That memory card is messed up, so I had to get a new one. Oh hell no. Yo, it look nice in the sun. I'm gonna hold his parking. I look good.
Stay, please. It's my fault. And you're not here to get me through it all. And let my guard down.
Come on.
It's 10.90.
See if there's money left on this one. Yo, that's mad tip.
The cards are going through. Do you have another one we can try? Muscle maker.
The color. Happy shorty. Hold on. I heard you. Heard the neon.
Ice in a each ear, stalked up left trip on your chest. Be weird, me dark like a deep cave, me kush ice steep stairs. Clark, sweet, cool like me freeze beard. Cologne sweet like the only way the bees. Me and shelf on your ends like the ocean sea wave. Anywhere we step on the left that I feel repave. You know we run road. You know we run road. You know we say I'm a girl that I don't know. I join you be around the street when you don't know. Presidential roll like Obama. Did you than the general, me at the governor. And we full of tall room like Osama. We make a step on your ends left. Look, me have the diploma for the streets and no chat when you see me out. I want to do the Mickey Mouse, yeah. Ah, la, you say the down, yeah, you not see me sober. A girl fi me chauffeur. The aroma, is it the cologne? I mean, they just pay and I just tell me out a little cover. We are the city brawler, no push kiddie stroller. And no rock rock, no cartoon, and the color. You know it, you know it, you know we run road. You know it, you know it, you know we run road. You know it, say I'm a girl that I don't know. I J.O.B. around the street when you don't know. Presidential roll like Obama. Did it and the general, me at the governor. And we full of tall room like Osama. We make a step on your ends left, look on her. Necessary, fresh cologne splash. Yeah, she smell me, what she tell me. Did the hottest thing ever say me?
Oh. That's corny, man. I got my phone. This was not a good day to vlog. So hyped to vlog today off the GoPro. And on my way coming home, I pull out my phone to check to see if the GoPro's still recording. I'm like this, all right, cool, throw it back in my pocket. I didn't put it back in the zipper part. Halfway home, and it fell in my pocket. I get home, I park my bike, and I realize I don't have my phone in my pocket. And I recorded on my other phone the intro to this. So I don't know how this is gonna go. If you guys watched it all the way to the end to right now, put a like on it, comment, whatever. You comment the eggplant emoji, whatever, I don't care. Just put something, you know, leave a little comment and like. That thing definitely helps out. I'm still trying to keep going with this vlogging or YouTube thing. And see you guys in the next video.